How to clear search suggestion in Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can clear search suggestions on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in. Now, in order to head to search bar, tap on the search icon from the bottom of the center face under the home page. Tap on the search bar and here you will see your recent search suggestions. Now, if you want to clear individual search suggestion, you have to tap on cross icon next to the profile and then it will remove the suggestion. Now, if you want to clear search history completely, then what you have to do is head back to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile page, tap on the three line icon at the top right. Here, scroll down a bit and head towards your activity option. Tap on it and scroll down a bit. There you will have an option as recent searches. You have to tap on it. And here tap on clear all. Tap on clear all and this will delete all your search history. So in this way, you can clear search suggestion in Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.